Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Tech Love from Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to set your MacBook to automatically switch between light and dark mode based on the time of the day. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your system settings. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and after then choose System Settings. And now navigate to the Appearance settings. And here you will see some options to change the theme. From these options, choose Auto. Here you can see that I have already chosen it. This setting automatically switches your MacBook's appearance from light to dark based on the time of the day. The auto setting adjusts your MacBook's appearance based on your location's sunrise and sunset times. This means your MacBook will use light mode during daylight hours and switch to dark mode after sunset. I hope this guide helps you set your MacBook to automatically switch between light and dark mode. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Allah Hafiz.